Today, I'll show you how waste coconut shells become ultra pure activated carbon step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
What looks like agricultural waste is actually the raw material for the world's most powerful filter.
The quality of this shipment looks promising for the activated carbon process.
Agreed. Let's proceed with the moisture analysis.
The shells enter a massive rotary kiln where they are heated without oxygen to create charcoal. This is the magic step. High-pressure steam activates the charcoal, opening up millions of microscopic pores.
The carbon is separated by size. Larger granules for air filters, finer mesh for water filters. We test the absorption power using iodine. The carbon sucks up the color instantly.
Carrying the carbon to America.
Finally, the carbon is packed into water filter cartridges for American homes.
From a waste coconut shell to the cleanest water in your home. That is the power of activated carbon. Thanks for watching.